So COVID-19 has highlighted what many Rhode Islanders have felt for years. Our systems do not work for the working class, the working poor. We have communities and families that when this pandemic hit, they had to make the tough decisions. Sorry, mask. They had to make the tough decisions between paying for food or rent or medicine, food or energy bills, and countless other decisions that are a product of our state officials handing out breaks to the wealthy and well-connected and watching knowingly as families lose housing, health coverage, and face the toughest financial decisions in decades. Enough is enough. There are justice-based solutions that our leaders can enact in the budget and ensure that we put people at the core of the solutions in COVID-19. There is no money is not a suitable answer. We cannot afford it is a response that ignores the roles that leaders have played in strategically cutting breaks to the wealthy and well-connected at the expense of the working class people. In 2006, our elected officials cut the taxes on the highest income earners. In fact, the poorest Rhode Islanders pay more in taxes than the richest 1%. We must undo the unjust tax cut that harms our schools, healthcare, and livelihoods. The money is there. Money is right where our elected officials put it when they gave those tax cuts to appease the well-connected. Millions of dollars a year have been left out of communities, schools, healthcare, and millions of dollars every single year since 2006 uncollected. Enough is enough. Reinvest in our communities. They are hurting, they are vulnerable, they are hopeful. They are no longer hopeful in a system, rightfully so, that tells them to wait for resources and leaves uncollected hundreds of millions of dollars from the wealthy. Again, this money is here in our state now. We need to stop criminalizing state-produced poverty. We need to reinvest in families, their health, their education, and training. $15 minimum wage sounds like too much money until we frame it as $31,000 a year before taxes for a family of 3, for a family of 4. We need $15 now and work our way to $24 or $26 a year to ensure that we have 50K salaries or 55K salaries for families in our state. There is nothing radical about life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. There is nothing radical about ensuring life, liberty, and happiness by ensuring that a minimum salary of $50 to $55K a year, or broken down, $24 to $26 an hour. It is time that Rhode Island becomes national leaders in policy that is worker first, child first, and values first. We must pass a justice budget and set an example for the whole country of what it means to put our policy where our mouth is and put hope back into the homes of everyone in our state.